Okay, hello everyone. I'm just going to quickly show you in this video how to add a shared design into your Showit library. So once you've logged into your account and you are on just a main screen, I want you to go to the lower left-hand corner and select your account name. And then what will happen is you'll get this kind of account settings pop-up window. And this is going to be the easiest way to add your design to the library. So there's two routes we can take. I'm going to show you both. First, you can press simply add to library, and then you're going to copy and paste the share key you were provided in an email, enter, and it's going to give you this preview of what that design looks like. If it looks right, I want you to press add now. You'll get this confirmation window, close, and now it's just in your library. So to go to your library, you want to look at view my site designs, and it's just going to be right in there. The second way to add your design into your library is again to go back to that account pop-up window, press create new design this time, go to the top right, press your designs, and then here you can add your design to your library, copy and paste your share key, enter, and again you're just going to get this preview, and then I want you to press add now, close, and then you can actually select that to start working on it. So it'll show up with this preview and you just say start with this design and you can go ahead and start designing. I hope this helps and I can't wait to see what you guys create. Remember to tag us on Instagram, connect with us on Facebook, etc. We want to connect and we would love to see your finished website.